Yo, what's up, everybody? Today, I'm really just trying to just look at today's trades, explain my thought process throughout the trade and whatnot. Yeah, so let's get into it, right? So today I took two trades. I took one GJ and USDCAD, right? So with GJ, I started off by looking at the daily chart. On my daily chart, I saw that okay, this is a resistance turn support zone, right? So I saw it broke up out of this zone, right? But then let me just, I don't know if I can get something, man. Like, yeah, some pointing. Yeah, it broke out of this zone, but it didn't come back here to retest, right? So it broke out, made a higher high, made a higher low, made a new higher high, came back to the previous higher lows level, right? Then after that, it just kept on making higher lows. It made a new higher high, made a higher low, but then it failed to make a new lower low. So now I know that okay, we're still in a bullish market, right? And around this level over here, you can see it broke the resist. Is it no, the support? Yeah, it broke the support, right? And then broke back in. So I know that on the weekly chart, would be looked at as a wick because it broke and then broke back into this zone above this support level, right? So, and then it also tested it twice. Oh my fucking gosh! It also tested it twice. Let me just go to the H4 and just show it properly. It tested this zone twice, as you can see here and here, for a double bottom formation in a trending market, right? Something like this. Let me just move it down here. Move it a little bit down here. Just like this. Something like BAM, right? Right? So this is what I call a double bottom in a trending market. It's basically like a continuation pattern. It's going up and it's a retracement, right? Yeah, it's a retracement, but then the retracement is at the support. So when it's at the support level and it has a double bottom, it's just more confluence to buy. And I'm pretty sure it's the 50 fib. If we were to really run our Fibonacci, we'd see that okay, the support is at a 50 or the 618, right? Ideally, it has to be at the 50 or 618, right? We can really just run our fib for really just for the vibes, honestly. Let me just put it into frame, run the fib. It really pierced. Okay, I personally wouldn't take it via the fib because it pierced below this level, but yeah. But then the double bottom has formed in the 618, the 05 and 618 level over here. So that does make it valid. So going to the lower time frame, right? Go to the 30 minute. Yeah, go to the 30 minute. Going to the lower time frame, right? Today basically how it looked was it was around here, around market open, the market. So now let me just go lower because I just want to have some more meat to work with. Let me do this. So around market open, right? The market opened around here, right? Now was it? Yeah, okay, whatever. Is it? Let me see the time. May 30th. Nah, it's somewhere. So basically, I let me just explain this this resistance over here, right? I looked back to the left side and then I saw that okay, the market failed to break this high, and then failed to break this high. I just didn't put it here. I just don't want it to look messy, right? So it failed. Okay, if you don't, let me just put it just to make my point. So it failed to break this high, went down, came back and failed to break the same high, went down, came back around the same level in the market. So now I'm looking at this level in the market sideways, because I'm looking at it like, market is failing to break you. So if the market breaks this level, that means we are bullish for today, right? So let's go to the minute 15 chart. Okay, at the minute 15 chart, I did not enter around here. It was way too choppy for me. Yeah, let me just do this. Here, it was way too choppy for me, right? So my initial plan in the morning was to enter here, a trade here, right? Like this. Oh my gosh. Where's my long position? Long. Yeah. There we go. Right? I wanted a clean break so I can buy, put my stop below this level, and then put my target at the next support. This was it's gonna be 1 to 2. This was my initial plan in the morning, but then it just started like making these wicks, and I wasn't really sure because there's also this high to consider. So it was failing to break this high and making a whole lot of wicks. So I wasn't sure about it. So I slept on it. I was like, so around 7 o'clock in the morning, 9, somewhere there. Market open, right? So I was like, I set it out. I was like, okay, let me just sit on it, see what's up, right? Okay. And then it made this huge move. I was not a part of this move, and I caught it like, I only saw the move when it was like halfway at like the 680. I mean the 160.8228. Yeah, at that level, right? I just saw it at this level. I was like, I'm really not gonna enter at this level. It's already in the middle. My risk to reward ratio is gonna be fucked up. So I really need to get another entry. So I was like, okay, what I'm gonna do is wait it out for it to break this level to go to the next level, right? For a potential, let me see, I think it was a 500 pip move. I mean a 50 pip move. Why am I saying 500? Like a 50 pip move. Okay, you understand me? Let me just do it like this. I think the break to here is like, yeah, a 50 pip move, right? So I was like, alright, all I want is like a 1 to 2 basically, or 1 to 2. But I didn't get a 1 to 2. I got a 1 to 3 because it was at a resistance 2, and I was like, I was looking at it sideways. I was like, am I really gonna sit in for this shit? Cause my stop loss was all the way down there. That's why my risk to reward ratio was a little fucked up. You understand me? Cause this is a double bottom in a trending market. You understand me? 1, 2 in a trending market. It's trending upwards. 2 bottoms in a trending market. You understand me? Basically, that's what I think is happening in the larger time frame. A double, man, you can see a double bottom in the trending market. That's what I'm seeing. Shoot me, don't, whatever, right? So I looked at it. I was like, it's forming a double bottom in the trending market. Let me just buy it, but I want to buy it at the close of this candle. So when the next one opens, it has to open bullish, or if it doesn't open bullish, I can close at half of the stop loss. Like basically I can close here knowing that like it's not gonna go up anymore, because if it rejects this level, I know that it's either 1 gonna play or 2 go bearish. You understand me? So I was like, alright, let me just buy it for a target at the, I think my target was at the 300 right here, 61300. You understand me? Put my target there, and then I just set through all this ranging BS, and then until it eventually went to target, and that's it. That's the trade for today. Right now, let's analyze the trade for tomorrow. Basically, nah, fuck that. Let me show you the one that's still running right now. This is the USD CAD, right? So basically here, let's go to the daily. This one's not as difficult as the last one. Just take this, put it here. I think we should just go to whatever. Let's go to the weekly, because the daily won't make sense. Right? Okay. On the weekly, this is a downtrend, right? Goes up into this level over here, which it's failing to break on for the past May 21. Oh shit. Since last year, basically, right? Because if that's May 21, these are way too many candlesticks for this to be May 21. It's crazy, right? So it failed to break this level, and this level is also the neckline of a double top. You understand me? It's also a neckline of the double top in the larger time frame, right? So I'm like, okay, it's a weak rejection at this point at the larger time frame, and overall it's a downtrend because it's not forming new higher highs. So I went down to the daily chart, looked at it. Okay, I'm like, alright, it's a double top. Let me just show you. It's a double. It's a double top. Understand me? It's a double top at a level of significance in the market, e.g., the resistance, right? Double top at resistance means we're going down, right? So I'm like, all right, let me go to the H4 chart, right? Let me just go here. I'm like, okay, I missed this move, right? And I missed the break here, the break of this level, right, for a sell, a break of this level for a sell. Missed that. So I'm like, all right, so since I missed all this move right here, let me wait for the break, right? So it broke, and I entered it late, basically, because I was like, alright, it broke, it didn't come back for a retest, but it's like a 30 pip stop loss. Yeah, it's 30 pip stop loss. I can just go in low risk and just tone my risk down to like a 0.5 or 1% per trade, and then just target a nice 1-to-1 or 1-to-5, right? And then that's exactly what I did. Like, I targeted a 1-to-4 right now, right? Still in the trade right now. Let me see, it's still in the trade. Where we at? I'm at a 1-to-1, 1-to-1.1 basically right now. So it just has to run down a little bit to my 1-to-4, catch the dub on this trade, then yeah, that's basically it. So let's go back to the GJ for tomorrow's analysis, right? So for tomorrow's analysis with GJ, let me go to the minute 15 chart. It has to break this level. If it breaks and closes above this level around the 666 or 690, right? Let me just put it at the 666. Okay, 650. Whatever. Yeah, I might be looking at a 70 pip move, 76 pip move to the upside. So tomorrow might be crazy fruitful. You know, I just have to wait for it to work out and for it to like just basically pan out. Because if it doesn't go bullish, we also have to be looking for bearish signs or a retest of this broken zone over here. But it retested with the range, so I doubt that it's gonna retest unless it's gonna retest right now, and then this would be a great entry for another buy till this level to its previous high. So that's basically my analysis, and what I saw today on the market that led me to basically take those 2 trades. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. SHEIK FX. Thank you, eh?